Hey everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you boost FPS in Minecraft. It's pretty easy and I'll tell you how you can do it. There's multiple fixes that we're going to do. First of all, it's some multiple Windows fixes and then multiple fixes in Minecraft itself. So first of all, we're going to click on Windows S so we can search, and then we're going to search for Task Manager. No, not bad. Device Manager, my bad. Device Manager. Now when you're in Device Manager, you need to make sure that all of these drivers, like specifically your mice and keyboard drivers, your monitor drivers, and your graphics and your display adapters drivers, all are just updated. So basically, how you can update is we go on here and click on Update Driver and search automatically for drivers. Make sure that it is already updated. Now, once we've done that, we're going to hop on our control panel, and also on our control panel, we're going to click on Category and make this large icons. Now, once this is on large icons, we're going to click on Power Options. And now this is going to be balanced most of the time for you. Make sure you change this from balance, okay, to something. You're going to click on Show Additional Options, and they're going to change it to High Performance, okay? Once you change it to High Performance, you go on to Change Plan Settings, and make sure that Put Computer to Sleep is set on Never. And then Turn Off Display is just whatever at what time you want, okay? Now, once you've done that, one thing I would really recommend you to do is to download Optifine. We already have a video of how you can download Optifine, so yeah, you can check it out. Okay, so basically, once you download Optifine, Optifine is such a great way to boost the FPS. It's just unbelievable. Another thing you could do is actually go on to Settings and then go on to Account. And once you go on to, oh my bad, okay, it's just do something called Allocate More RAM. So how you can allocate more RAM is basically go on to Installations and pick whatever version you're playing with. Let's say I'm playing on Optifine, and make sure, okay, actually download Optifine and use Optifine, okay, because this is basically the most stable thing you can have, and it's going to significantly boost your FPS. Then you're going to click on the three dots, and you're going to click on Edit. Once you click on Edit, you're going to click on More Options, and then now, as you can see, it's just dash XMX 2G dash. This is actually the maximum amount of RAM your computer is going to use. Now, I would recommend to make this a little bit higher, okay, to your maximum, like, you need to first of all check out what maximum RAM you have, so I'm going to you can check it out by opening this PC and clicking on Properties, and then you're going to find installed memory RAM is 16. Make sure this is a little bit lower than that, but I'll make it, like, for example, I'll make it 8, okay, so I'll change this number from 2G to 8G. Okay, now I have allocated 8 gigabytes of RAM to Optifine. Now, these are the most like basic fixes you're going to do, and you're hopefully going to find some really great boosts in FPS. Another thing is just to make sure that all of these applications are closed, not like me, okay, the ones that you don't use. Yeah, and one last fix is just to basically tune down the graphics settings. And one big thing you could do, and it's going to significantly boost your performance, is to tuning down your render distance in your video settings. So that was it all for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.